here.
No one could become an efficient leader or take the initiative in any great undertaking without believing in himself. That's why we have Kibera Plastic Initiative to take care of our environment.
See, this is plastic, eh? Also, this is a plastic. Kibera Plastic Initiative started in 2019, but the idea came from garbage collection. Basically, we started with garbage collection, and from the garbage collection, we discovered that 90% of our trash is plastics. What motivated me is that the garbage that we were picking from the slums, right from the door to door, and we were collecting the trash from these plastics bags, right? And we came that we noticed that this trash, after we collect them, we were dividing them by into orders, because we were taking plastics aside, papers aside, boxes aside. From there, we noticed that plastics were the major trash in those garbages. This is the main dumping site in Kibera, in Subra area. This is whereby trash from slums normally being dumped. So out of this is one of the boys I'm working with. After the trash are being dumped here, he normally come and chamber them. This is our dumping site, right over here, and this is our main collection point. Okay. So after we've picked them this way, we come to our main collection point. Then from here, when the plastics are full, our means of transport, we normally use handcarts, mkokoteni, okay? Or other times we normally call pickups. We normally hire pickups from other places, come pick them. It normally takes like a week. So if you come here by Friday or Saturday, it will be full. We came by this idea because Mr. Green Company approached us and told us that you guys, in Kibera, there are so much plastics, and these plastics, we can recycle them, okay? So our main idea was we teach the Kibera people how to recycle plastics. There are a lot of many challenges doing this work because you know, it's volunteering work, and I do work with 5 boys. The main challenge I have, basically, one, I have 5 boys. These boys, after they have collected these plastics, they need to be paid. I don't pay them. They just do it for volunteering work. When we take them to Mr. Green Company, their branch is in Ayani, they normally weigh them into kilos. Yes, and when we have a lot of them, there's a small amount of money that they normally give us. And out of that money is the one that I normally pay my boys. In 2 years to come, I will put bins around Kibera for only plastics. That makes it for plastics. So, and also in every household, I will be giving them paper bags or these gunias to put their plastics, only plastics. It really helps the community because Kibera is known as dumping site everywhere. Trash is everywhere, okay? But if you start with small, like collecting plastics or not throwing plastics, I think that's the major thing. If you start with it, I think also it will create some more ideas into them by not throwing even a paper or trash everywhere. Plastics are basically wealth. We have a lot of stuff that we have recycled from these plastics. I could have come with them, but they're up in the company. But what I've seen with plastics out of this waste is a lot. We've made buckets, we've made basins, we've made pencils out of these plastics. We've make boxes. We also out of these plastics we've made bricks. Is a kujenga nyumba out of these plastics. We come up with the idea that we can make bricks out of those plastics. So what I can tell Kibera people is that plastics, we can recycle them. And this is our main collection point. So if anyone has plastics out of their houses, out of anywhere, just bring your plastics at Subra. This is our main collection point.
Kibera Plastic Initiative is the solution to your plastic. Be part of the solution, not part of the pollution. For Kibera News Network, I'm Evelyn Awar.